Today is a very special day. A farewell to 10th standard students and a Sharda Puja. You are doing Sharda Puja because you have to write the exams in forthcoming days. So, respected principal, vice principal, and all the teachers, and my dear students, I told in the first itself a farewell to 10th standard students, including Sharda Puja. Means a more goddess Saraswati is going to bless us all for the forthcoming exams. You have to write very well in the exams. A process. This all years work and hard work is going to give results. The process is important than the result. And also, ultimate the result is important than the process. You have to give exams in the form of, and it will be in the form of result. All the process in the whole year, the process is going to give the result. I told in the first itself, as a Sharda, also Saraswati, Om, Shim, Reem, Saraswati Swaha. Means it gives devotee. It is going to give devotee to all you people, to all students itself. So, in few days, you are writing the exams, final exams. On 24th, this month itself, you are going to write the final exams. And I wish you all the best for 10th standard. Because 10th standard is the turning point. The turning point, once the first turning point in the life. The career, 10th is means you are going to decide your future. Our parents also remembering you people in the form of result. And they are to say the result to their relatives and friends as a upcoming caller itself. They should say, proud to say the result. And I also personally proud to be all you people as our students, Oxford International students is going to write the best exams and they will get the best result. You all promise me and your parents today in front of Ma Saraswati, you have to give the best performance in the exams. Right? So I wish you all a very success in your career. You are going to decide your future. And I wish all the best once again to 10th standard students for the exams. And I wish all my students, especially in future LKG, UKG also writing the exams and followed by first standard to 8th standard. So I wish you all very best, and I personally and in the form of as a management, a very beautiful future to all people. Thanks to all the teachers for their full in the academic performance, and I thank all the teachers for the academic year 2003 and 23 and 24, and I personally thank all the staff of Oxford, Divers, IAS. Thank you all. Thanks for this day as a memorable day. You have to celebrate this day as a wonderful day and colorful day and fantastic day. You have to enjoy lot today. So I don't want to speak much more. Especially we have to remember and we have to thank Miss Lata ma'am also. Thank you my dear wife for this day and for the whole year. They struggled a lot. Thank you all, and you people also struggled a lot because of my absence from the last 6 months. You all people, especially all the staff of Oxford, thank you one and all. Thank you.